Did you see my post on my feature channel on the feature channel that I made $200 and how much it took to get there?
Yeah, I saw that. So what happened? Don't tell me about that. I've been so busy.
How about I just show you? You want to see something?
Yeah, yeah, show me.
I'm like I was gonna show everybody, but I'll show you guys. I'm kind of embarrassed to show this. I'm kind of embarrassed.
Yeah, what happened?
Look at this. Look at this. Oh wait.
What the? What? Bro, were you just dicking around or?
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Take it for what it is, man.
Damn, bro. Okay, I mean, at least you're not in
Dude, uh, yeah, man. It's just so because it's the holidays or yada yada. Like the volume isn't there. Like realistically, there's no volume. Like look at this. Today it was more so like if you caught these moves here, it was a you had to be there moment because the spreads were so bad. I would get to my TP, but I wouldn't make enough, and I was chasing that little bit, and then the candles were just screwing me, dude. It was bad. I tilted for sure. I tilted for sure, and then I caught this baby. I caught this. You see this? I bought right there. Boom, got out,
Oh wow.
and then I was like, dude,
Yeah, dude. By the way, for that candle, did news come out or was it just
they had to have.
somebody tweet something? Anybody know in the chat?
I have no idea, but that's the candle that saved me, and I'm chilling. And ever since then, it's just been chopping. Look at this. Look at that. It's just bad. Look, and this is the move that you thought you were missing out on, and look at it now. It's just bad today, but it's to be expected though with the holiday. Anyway, yeah, that was it's embarrassing there. Okay, let's figure out a range here. Let's figure out where we're at. Are you streaming?
Not yet. I'm just kind of still getting set up. Trying to find something, but it's okay. We can get back to it.
Okay, so for right now, it looks like we can possibly see a long maybe to like up here. We're in the pocket. We put in this low, and we started printing higher lows here. Is this going to be a higher low? But based off of this here, the structure, stop loss for sure, I'd like it to be right there. So if we were to do the 50 points rule that I have for myself, then I'd like to have, oh wow, this is more than enough. Yeah. So 15 points, or if I enter here in the pocket, a 10-point stop, like somewhere here, then 10 points right there. Yeah. Danny, did you take a trade today at all?
Are you on TikTok live yet or no?
Nah, no, I'm not. Are you so close to blowing it? How much do you have left on it?
These are best for me.
750? I bet. Let's try to work with that there. Let's try to bring that back to life. Yeah, it's looking very bearish.
No, I'm gonna go live on TikTok. By the way, just on the app, if I ever want to mute myself, do you know where that is when I'm live?
It's gonna be in the bottom.
Bottom? Okay.
Yeah, where the you should see a mic on there. Damn, this is bearish as hell. Holy moly. Yeah, I use Fibonacci. Yep. So normally I use the Fibonacci to mark out the previous high, previous low, and then the midpoint of the daily highs or daily levels. But lately I've been using them on highs and lows. Like if like you can see that we put in that low and then that high, everything in between, you can see that we haven't touched either side. So those, that high or low, is potential opportunity, or we can see about an entry to trade to those levels. So I put the golden pocket, and the golden pocket is a good thing to have or to kind of get familiar with, because that's what I've been using. How do I know which candle to take to the high? Sometimes it's just a matter of how do I put this? How do I put this? It's, I think I would just keep it at what I just said, as far as like you can see that we made the move. You know, we came all the way down. Boom. This is where I found support. At this point, I didn't know where to put it. It was, we put this high low, then we came, put this high, and now that I'm back on the charts, I can see that we haven't touched again. We haven't touched either side. So I just put it from that low to the high. And then you can see the levels and you can see where price is supporting.
It's not letting me go live like the thing is.
Does that make sense, Danny? So when you actually, as a matter of fact, let me add one more thing. When you add it, you want to do it from the left to the right. The left to the right. So this low was put in before we did that high, so that's why I dragged it from the bottom to the high. And when you get familiar with the golden pocket, you can see that this is the area that we are, the area that we've been respecting. So like I was just saying earlier, that if we're looking to long this, then we definitely want to make sure our stop is below this low here. Because at this point now, anything forward, I'm expecting it to do this, a higher low. And if it comes down and creates a new low off of this, then that's the point that this trade will be completely invalidated. And then you can see that right now, NQ is giving us a reaction that I would have expected. We put in a higher low, and now we're attempting to push. Buyers are stepping in, but the next question is, are they going to stay there and take us up higher? And TP would be this, like I just said, since we haven't engaged with either side, we can look to target one of these or all of them.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on, guys? How you doing? We're live. Let me know if you guys can hear me well and see the screen. Let me know if you guys can hear me well and see my screen.
And yeah, look at NQ wanting to push. But we still don't know for certain because it's on the other side of this. It's printing lower highs. Maybe. Maybe. Oh shit. NQ just ripped. Danny, look at this. I was just telling you about this, bro. And look at it go. Oh my. I looked away for a little bit. No, we're breaking out of that pocket. That was we're way past that. That would have been the entry here. Damn. Well, ain't that a bitch? So yeah, I mean, as I was literally breaking it down for you here, and then look, we respected that level. Then sure enough, now we're pushing up here. Crazy. Yeah, I guess not. Let's see what we can do here, though. Did we miss another move? We're gonna give the 50% a retest. Tell him to send you pictures of it. He'll help you out. What? Yeah, I do. I just have it low. Damn, dude, NQ's just pushing. Can you hear it now? It's gonna be a little too loud for my ears, actually. Yeah. Damn, I should have taken that. I should have taken this trade. I was literally breaking it down. Welcome to the club. Dude, NQ, holy moly. What do we do? What do we do, Coops? Damn, Danny. We could have gone the entry here where I was talking about it, but yeah, let me check out your live. Let's see.
I thought shorts, but I don't think so anymore. Yeah, I mean, we're still. We need to really break out of this range. We could still reject all the way. I mean, this is a range that we've been playing right here, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. What's my strategy? ICT. Buy low, sell high. Come on, bro. You know what the strategy is. Buy low, sell high.
Yeah, man, this sounds so much better than just you on your phone recording the screen. Much better than just you on your phone recording the screen.
And you can see the stream perfect, or like is it good?
Yeah, I see that camera still in the background though. See that camera still in the background though.
Yeah, I tried turning the camera off. Couldn't hide camera sources required to ensure real-time interaction. Boo. Want to turn the camera off, but we can't chat. We can't. Want to turn.
All right, y'all. I'm officially live on TikTok here. Let's see what we do. I mean, I would have liked to already be in this. Yeah, let's see it. We got to make something happen for Danny here.
Yes, Danny. We need Danny to pass.
Force it? Bet. Let's go long. Danny said force it, so we're going long. So let's see. Yeah, like I said, it's just not gonna be. It's not very promising with the market close during New York. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, NQ. Yeah, NQ is the only thing open. Equities are the only thing open tonight. I'm putting my mortgage on the line for it. Bet.
You're putting your mortgage on the line for this trade?
Yeah. I don't know, dude. Brandon, I don't know, man. I don't know, man.
Habibi, take it easy.
We were talking about longing out of this pocket here, and we got the move. The only thing is that I did not pull the trigger, and then now we're up here. Slept that high. So now, if anything, if I'm going to enter this and possibly enter, it's gonna be here somewhere. You're right. You're in a short. What's your entry? 183. I mean, yeah, man, it could probably hit. My friend GPT told me to short. That's crazy. ChatGPT told me to short. Yo, what up? What up? What up? TikTok. What up? What up? What up? Yeah, man, I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, this is NQ. That's the thing. That's the thing about tonight, man. I mean, it's just like I was explaining earlier. Check this out. We put in this high, and then we put in this low. ever since, well, when did this happen? For me, that's like 8 p.m., just about 8 p.m. Yeah, chop, dude. This happened at 8 p.m. Ever since then, we just been ranging, chopping around. We have yet to engage with either side of this big old range we're in. I mean, we could try to play to either side, but that's just the thing right there. I mean, this looked good when I was first looking at it tonight. I was looking long out of this pocket, like I just said. We made our way up here, but look, we failed to get up here, and now we're pulling back. Are we going to go all the way back down? Maybe. But the bottom line is that we're literally in a range. So this would be a range trade. Range trading here. Let me get this 165 right now. Yeah, I mean, it could work, dude. Bottom of the range. If we're going to stay here, I don't see why not. I don't see why you wouldn't get it if we're just going to stay in this range. What was that? NQ is worth more, yeah, per tick. Yeah, if you don't know how to handle that, just give it to me. Just give me that money. What up, TikTok? Appreciate you guys being in here, man. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for the likes too. I had like 400 drawdown left to play with this. Yeah. I feel it, bro. I feel it. I mean, there were movements tonight, but tonight on NQ, it's like you had to be there moments. That's all. Cause look, today we we got the entry right there. Yeah, especially with the market close tomorrow. Yeah, man. I mean, it's just nothing's promising. I mean, we might catch something, but nothing looks promising right now, to be honest. But the market's gonna be closed. I mean, I'm not even trading my fund. It's just based off all this. Let me explain here. You had to be here today. It was more so like you just had to be there because we had this move here. We pushed up, and then ever since we made that move at that high, you see how we just chopped all the way down, just chop this up, down, up, down. You could have scalped your way through here, but the bottom line is if you zoom out, this is just straight chop to the downside. Straight chop. And then you got like another 50-point move here. And then some more chop, and then 50-point up. Like these are account killer moves here. Account killer moves. And then 50 points down, 50 points up, and still again chop. Like, what do we do here, Just scalp, I guess. Yo, what up, Alex? What up, what up, what up, man? All right, so what do we do? It's 15 seconds? You're crazy, bro. 15 seconds? I feel like I would have an aneurysm looking at the 15-second chart. That's crazy, bro. The 15 seconds with this kind of volume is crazy. Okay, look, let's lock in here. Let's lock in. Okay, so like I was telling Danny earlier, is that we traded out of this pocket. Okay, and now we pushed up. Swap this. Are we gonna create a support? I literally said this earlier today. This is exactly where I kind of wanted to kind of build some structure here. If we're gonna support 50% of this entire range, which we are technically there, and then yeah, if we can see certain things here, just support 50% of this range, we can target this here. We can plan to target a side of this entire range, because this right here is a low. We printed a higher low. Is this going to be another higher low, right? Let's see though. But for now, given the current circumstances, yeah, if we do get an entry here, given the current circumstances, if we do get an entry, I would only be aiming for this here. Aiming for that high at 197. Does anybody here trade quantitative analysis?
Yeah, every single day I trade that.
Quantitative.
Analysis.
I mean, I do. I scalp on the weekly chart. I look at the weekly chart when I scalp.
Everybody's sleeping here.
I know everybody's already on the weekend mode here.
Yeah, everybody's on the weekend mode.
Everyone's ready for the Easter Bunny. How about Auric Pharmaceutical? Bro, what? What? What does that have to do with NQ, bro? Okay, we might go for it here. I'm probably going to go 3 micros though. And then if anything, if I start to see more aggression and confirmation, I'll add. But let's see. I kind of want to play patient here. Yeah, holy chop, dude. Yep. Yeah, man, like I said earlier, that I'm not trading my fundeds. I'm not trading my fundeds here. I'm trading an eval. I made enough profit on my funded, so I don't want to give it back with this here. With all of this here, I do not want to give none of that back. So I'm chilling with it. I'm chilling trading an eval. Yeah, long, by the way. Yeah, long. I don't know, man. Brandon, bro. I'm thinking longs, bro. I mean, like I said this plenty of times tonight that, you know, we printed this low, higher low. This is looking like a higher low. So if I enter this trade, I'm really betting that this here holds. I'm really betting that it holds. So yeah, so if that doesn't hold, then I'm peppered. Matter of fact, let's look at the overall picture here. What do we look like in the bigger time frames? I'm on the 3 minute chart. Okay, we actually have a new hour that just opened up, a new 4 hour that just opened up. What time frame? Right now for this, I'm looking at the 1 minute. Okay, look, this is looking a little bit better. If we come down, I want to see what the reaction is off this low here. I want to see what the reaction is off that. Okay, the 4 hour just opened up actually. So I actually, as a matter of fact, I take back a little bit of what I just said here. The 4 hour just opened up, so I'm expecting some bottom wick. If I'm looking to trade this higher, I want a bottom wick to be established. So in other words, come down and then find an entry setup to go up if we are going to trade it higher. What time is it? A new hour too. Oh yeah, look at a little. The 1 hour just opened up. So yeah, we want to see a bottom wick get established. What do you trade Nasdaq? Yeah. Mazen. I think I answered your question. 1 minute, the 1 minute time frame. And I work my way down, top down analysis. So from the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15, and 5 and 1. What do you trade Nasdaq? Yeah. What's my P&L as a fund eval? Or matter of fact, I take that back. It's not an eval. It's 50K. Look, 50K in profits. It's totally not an eval. 50,000 flat. Yeah, Nasdaq. What are you trading? Nasdaq, bro. Do I think we go higher or lower? I'm eyeing longs, but I don't know. A level that we can keep an eye on if we do look to chase longs here could be the 200, 24,200. We're at 176. So if we get an entry that's 22 points, I'm not picky, bro. We go lower? Maybe. Maybe we do, man. But right now I'm eyeing longs. Based off of TA that I've been talking about. But I don't know. I mean, nothing's clear though. Can I ask why you're eyeing longs? Yeah, I'll get to that right now. I'm just looking at the bigger picture here, see where we're at. But 4 hour and the hourly just opened up. I mean, on the 15 and 30 minute, I mean, just look at that. That's just straight up chop. I mean, I'm just straight up chop, man. Okay, but let me get back to why I'm eyeing longs here. So look at this. So this is a range that we put in at, for me in California, 7:45 p.m. We put in this range. We put in that high. We put in that low. And ever since then, we have yet to engage on either side. So we've just been ranging. It's just straight up chop. There's like no other way of putting it. I'm looking to trade to either side, right? And then when we drop down, we're in the 15-minute, 5-minute. We started printing higher lows. This is the bottom of that range I just pointed out. And then we started printing higher lows. Now the question is, where is this? If I'm looking to enter longs, I want to see a higher low get put in at the 50% of this range, which so far buyers are trying here. Buyers are trying right there. So if I'm going to look to trade this, this is ideally the area that I want to try, but I still don't know for sure. That's why I'm eyeing longs. And if I do, by the way, if I do, my target would be 200. We could target 200, 24, 200. How long have you been day trading for futures? A year, just over a year. Wait for what? What are we waiting for? The 1 hour swept highs and then had an SMT. Yes. Honestly, dude, I don't trade SMT. I don't know. Do you also use S500? No, man, I don't do SMTs. What's my strategy? The Mortal Kombat Sub-Zero strategy. What's my model? How much am I risking? Eval. Honestly, dude, with this, just it's like again, like I think you guys see this. It's just slow. Nothing looks as promising. I'm gonna go 3 micros, and then if it starts to get more aggressive and more confirmation, uh, I'll add into it. Are you profitable or not really? Yes, I'm profitable. I wouldn't say by a lot, but like I am. I'm not Are you shorts? Maybe. Right now I'm eyeing longs. What's the most you've made? I've made 43, no, 46 in this last month. In the month of March, I took 4 payouts. So in total, I'm at 46, 46K. How much have I started off with? Prop firms, dude. Prop firms. I mean, yeah, I can start my own, but I'm trying to milk prop firms. 46K? Yeah, man, I'm getting there though. Not bad for a year, dude. I'm seeing a lot of stories about how so many people, it took them like 7 years or all this stuff. NASDAQ, yeah, it's a NASDAQ. Where are we entering? Potentially here. This is we're just about 50% of the range. See if we can catch some sort of move to the higher, to the top of the range. Prop firms. So it's simulated funding. Once you pass the eval phase, you get moved to a funded stage, and then from there you have the potential to make the real money. So you can spend like $100 on a challenge. Just depends on like the firm. You pass it, go into a funded, and then you can run that account up to whatever their max payout is. So like the $100 that you put in to get all this started, and when you make money, you have potential of getting their max payout, which like for example, Top Step is $5,000. So from $100 to $5,000 is the potential you can make here. I'm gonna try to get simple 1K. And trade for 3 to 4 months and have 5K in profit for 1 month. Nice, bro. Yeah, H3. Dude, I mean, H3, bro. I mean, think about it. Think about this, H3. Would you rather lose 50,000 of your actual money, or would you spend $100 for a 50K and have potential to make a lot of money? But in reality, they only allow you to lose like 2,000. But still, it's still better than 50K of your actual money. Okay, look, we MNQ is starting to support here, possibly an entry here. if I do get in on this, which I think I might, my stop loss would be below. I'll put it below here. Matter of fact, let me see. Let me measure this. My max, the max that I'm willing to risk in any trade, max no matter what, is 50 points. What's bro strategy? You've been asking that. Price action, candle closures. Okay, 30 points. 30 points is not bad. So if I do enter this here at the 50% of this range that I've been talking about all freaking night, I'm going to put a stop loss below here. 30 points. It's less than what I'm willing to do, so I'm willing to do it there. Right now, I'm on the 1 minute. New to this, but why is this so slow, right? Bro, it's because, yeah, the market's closed tomorrow. The market's closed tomorrow, so there's not much volatility, no volume. Okay, look. Okay, so there's a perfect example to the guy asking me about what my strategy is. So I just explained like that we're in a range. We're at the 50%, long story short, yada, yada. But this is what I want to see. If I'm bullish, this is what I want to see. We put in this low right here, these lows. It's starting to hold up here, starting to kind of build a support just right above it. So if I'm going to enter this, I want to enter it here, knowing that this is at least where buyers are trying to step in. Are they going to really get us up there, though? That's the thing. We know that slow volatility, just super, super slow. And I'm on an eval, so I'm kind of not careless. I wouldn't say I'm careless, but you guys know what I'm saying. I think I'm going to go for it here. Oh, what a terrible slippage. Yeah, 3 micros. Terrible slippage. Yeah, I'm going to go for it. Stop is going to be below this low. Maybe I'll drop it actually. Maybe I'll tighten it up actually. Maybe I take that back just a little bit. Cooked? Yeah, man. Let's see, man. Let's see. All right, Brandon. Let's see, bro.
Let me know if you're in the trade chat. Let me know if you're in the trade.
I mean, I'm confident. I mean, I'm breaking this down with you. I mean, it comes down to the trader that, you know, it comes down to the trader. I mean, this is what you get. This is what you learn to do is be confident. Yeah, CJ, MNQ is moving super freaking weird. I mean, again, I don't have high expectations, and that's henceforth why I'm trading an eval here. Okay.
All right, let's see. We are waking up. We are respecting that fair value gap, which I like. So let's see. We're only in 5 micros, chat, just because we got to break out of this pocket, to be honest. We have to break out of this pocket.
I took 120 on the short and followed your long. Yeah. If price drops, will you give me a kiss? No. No, matter of fact, TYC, if this hits, you gotta send a Galaxy, bro. Tomorrow's Good Friday. Yeah, man. Again, hey, that's the dilemma today. What? I'm copy trading on my XFA. Don't sell me. Okay, if it doesn't, oh, that's crazy. Buy you an eval? That's crazy. What market are you in? This is MNQ, so micro Nasdaq. So far, this is the only thing open today because of Good Friday tomorrow. So again, I don't have high expectations. Tomorrow's Good Friday, low volatility. Price action is moving super weird here. No, I'm longing here, 3 micros, super light position. On an eval, by the way. I'll send you a galaxy right now if you mentor me. Bro, I don't a galaxy for a mentorship? That's crazy. I'll give you 2 mustaches if this hits. I bet. You're in for 10 micros? Gosh, bro. Yeah, I do have a stop. Yeah, it is. No, I agree with you. I agree with you, bro. Okay, let me break it. We got some new viewers. We got 43 people in here. What up? What's going on? What's up, y'all? Okay. Why did along? Or what? In for 15? You guys are making me nervous, bro. I'm in 3 micros. You guys, you guys are trading a full mini.
I only went 5 micros, to be honest, bro.
2 people in the channel like we went 1 mini to 15 micros. That's crazy, bro. I'm in for 12 micros going down, bro. Oh shit, man. Should I do it too then?
Well, you're going 2 minis right
Oh, no, I'm not gonna go minis. I went through micros. Yeah, micros, bro. Okay, here, let me explain it. I'm in for 30, bro.
30 minis. It's interesting now to watch.
Okay, now I'm just like, I was chilling. Now I'm at the edge of my seat for you guys here. Okay,
So
all right.
let's take a poll. Who's in the shorts and who's in the longs? Type in the comments below, chat. May the best man win.
All right, all right. We got people. We got more people in here. So let me break it down again on why I'm entering this short.
You mean the longs?
I mean longs. Sorry, yeah, longs. Yeah, I'm in a long. Yeah. No, I'm in a long. My bad. I misspoke. Okay, here. Let me break it down again. So, 7:30 my time. 7:30 my time. We put it in this range that we've been in since then. We put in this low, and then we put in that high, and ever since then, we've just been ranging. We have not engaged with either side, so this could really go either way. This could really go either way. But the reason why I got interested in longs is because at some point here, we started putting in higher lows. So this is the original low that I told you about that started this whole range. And then here we printed a higher low, and then we got a higher low. I originally was talking about entering here, but I just didn't get the entry. Pushed up, so if this high retrace, now is this going to be a higher low? I'm betting on it. But again, this could still go either way. And I'm not expecting much. I mean, that's why I kept saying I'm an eval, but you guys are going crazy with the minis. Let's go. I gotta sell my house now. Your stop is my TP. Damn, son. What are you trading? NQ, MQ. I used to look at my trades like that. Like how? This NQ is MNQ. Inside bar right now, I'm long. What time does London market open? For me, I believe it's 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. To the moon. Yes, please, bro. Pump to the heavens here. So we're gambling. Yes, sir. I thought it didn't open for another hour. Yeah, 4-hour lower high reject though. What stock is this? This is Wendy's stock. Wendy's. Equal lows below. I'm gambling. Equal lows below. What are you doing? You in longs? Yeah, I'm in longs. No, I'm not gambling, bro. I just went through the breakdown. Please tell me you guys heard that. Please tell me you guys heard all that. Full porting my account to the ground. Why the entry? Okay, now I'm starting to think you guys are just trolling me. Why do I see the closed market? Futures market, bro. Just added 5 more cons. Yeah, I think I'm getting rage faded. Yes, bro. I heard you. I heard, but you said it can go either way. Yes, bro. That's exactly why I went 3 micros. I'm not sweating. I'm not. This is what I'm doing right here. Look, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Look. This is how I feel right now with my 3 micros. This is how I feel with my 3 micros right now. Are you gambling evals? I'm trading 3 micros, bro. That's not gambling. Down 3K? Stop, Brandon, bro. Don't do that. No, guys, I'm not trading at Funded. I made my money on it. I have a Lucid account that I can. I have a Lucid account that I made my winning day. So Monday, on Monday, all I need to do is another winning day, and then I can request a payout on that account at the end of the day. And then I have my Funded Futures Funded account that I made $400 on, but I'm not comfortable trading Funded right now, and that's why I'm on an eval. I made money. I don't want to give it back. No, bro. Brandon, you were right, bro. Damn, son. Yeah. I mean, who knows, dude? I'm a hold. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Combine confidence. Combine confidence. Down 130, 180. I mean, it's still in play. I told Uber going down. The Uber driver told you to short? Oh, wow. ICC. ICC. I can't cook. That week gave me anxiety. Semi-coxy. I mean, I'm still in it. It's not over till it's over. I didn't hear a bell. There's no bell. Hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out in here, though. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Like the stream, guys. Look at this. What are the chances, huh? Yeah, what are the chances, huh? What are the chances? Okay, look, how about this? Is this a reach? Is this a reach right here? Look at this. What is this ICC? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Huh? Is that ICC? No, it stands for I can't cook. What time frame? This is the 1 minute. What market twin? This is MNQ. Micro E mini Nasdaq 100 is your market. Today I usually trade gold too, but today nothing's open except equities here. Guys, if you guys want to tap in too, I have a Discord. If you guys want in, I don't know how to link it on TikTok. I have a free Discord where I'm streaming here too for real time TA. If you want to see me get cooked before TikTok does. If you want to see me get cooked before it reaches TikTok, tap in, man. DM me because I don't know how to link it. If you guys want in, you guys will see me get cooked at least a minute or a few seconds before TikTok. And a 30-minute actually. You have to have 1K. Yeah, dude, that's the goal. That's the goal. GG's, bro. Yeah, it's long now. Anyone know what do I use? It is an app. So yeah, it's TradingView. You can use that for an app. I'm shorting NQ. I mean, don't get me wrong, bro. At some point tonight, yeah. I mean, I see it too. I see it too. Don't get me wrong, but you know the TA I was giving up. Okay, yeah, I'm cooked here, but what I was giving, I just got obliterated.
Shorts won. Congratulations. Longs lost.
But look at this. The reason why I took it is because ever since we were in this range, like I said, we put in higher lows, and yeah, the volume kicks in. That's crazy. Good stuff. Dude, this is crazy, bro. We the ones who can't cook? No, hang on, bro. All right, let me re-emphasize. Let me remind you guys. That's why I went 3 micros. I told you Drake was coming. No, this is Diddy. If we went up, that's Drake. If this is down, this is Diddy. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Hold on to the same energy, bro. I blew my account. No way, bro. Kendrick is up. Nah. RSI never lies, bro. RSI, I haven't heard that since 2022.
Do not tell me we are. Oh my god.
20 micro short, bro. You guys are crazy.
I lost the account, Ice Bay.
No way you didn't.
I know I didn't.
That's funny.
5 micros. Wow.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. Give it a shot. Give it a shot at this. Yeah, short trading day tomorrow. Yep. You had 1 million on NQ. You're crazy.
To the people who went shorts, what are your TPs? I'm actually now curious. Like, what are your TPs? Like, give me levels.
Did I lose a trade? Yeah, bro, I did. I did, bro. 3 micros loss. So what is that? The new fresh 50K? Let's look at the damage here. Fresh 50K. What are we down? 145? That's it. That's it. 145? That's pennies, bro. Enter a buy here. This one here is with Tradeify. I would have made pennies. Yeah, you're right. Do you trade NY session? I do, but I'm not on stream. What I'll typically do is like in the Discord, I'll usually be in voice chat though, but I can't stream during those days. What are you trading? MNQ. Long, baby, long. I don't know, man. Let's see. I actually, this could go either way here though. It just created a new low, so I think we could see more so. Who was it that made that? Who put that price? 23 what? Somebody put a number here, 23,000 something. So I definitely do think now that we finally engaged to a side of out of this range, we could put in like a 50% of this range again, but on the opposite side, and then continue lower possibly. But at this point right now, I'm hands off. Let's see. Look at the time frame. Yeah, man, that's what I was looking at here. Is this going to be the 4-hour wick that we're going to leave behind before we make a leg up? I don't know. I don't know, but well, Coops, we're not leaving Wendy's. Are you profitable? Yes, I would say yes, I am, but not by a lot. Not like Lambo profitable. I think I would say I'm break even. Knew we were gonna dump. Damn. Why didn't you tell me earlier, bro? I think that's what I want to definitely pursue. Of course, I want the money, but I also want to feel rich. I'm not even talking about financially, more so like I did tell you. Well, you guys know what I mean. Like I want to feel good. I want to feel rich. If you the galaxy with me, I said if it hit for me, not for you, bro. That's funny. All right, let's see. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Um, whose? For a link to put a link on. Hang on, chat. Hang on. No, I'm not trading Bitcoin. Just 5 minutes. Also had a 1 hour Amy. SMT. What is he trading? MNQ. Long here. NQ. I think at this point, if I'm going to look for long, I want to see it sweep this. I'm not going to enter now just because I entered long earlier because I saw structure that got me interested. But now, if we are, I want to see it build up here. I want to let it marinate here. At this point right here, I'm just taking a beating from a TikTok chat telling me they told me so. I'm taking a beating over here. Okay, let's see. I had shorts but sold at 100 plus because it wasn't moving, just bouncing. Yeah. I'm already in shorts. 78.25. Damn, son. That's a clean breakout. Use EMA. Short to 24, 130. Yeah, we're in a. Yeah, Tice, we're in a Punjabi. I just realized that's what it says. Yeah, we're in Discord. Yeah, like I said, guys, if you guys are just tapping in, if you guys want to tap in here with me, and you can't see it. This is the application only on TikTok, but we got a Discord here going on, TikTok call. Yeah, man, tap in. If you guys traded, or if you are trading, post the charts in there, man. Let's chat about it. Yeah, at this point, Let's look. I don't know. I don't know. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, maybe. We still haven't even got, yeah, the hammer, dude. Big old hammer. Look at that. Okay.
Haven't really broken out in either range, to be honest. It has to break below 135 for the shorts to actually be validated.
Okay, look at this. Look at this, chat. We slipped that 4-hour low. What are we doing? I don't know, man.
Longing again. That's what we're gonna do.
That's what it's looking like to me, man.
That's all we play.
I don't know, chat.
135 for the shorts to be confirmed, my guy.
It's such a weird market tonight. Yeah, it is, dude. Yeah, it is. Like I said earlier, that's why I'm not. That's why I'm not looking to trade my fundeds on this here. I'm just taking it easy here. What's it looking like to you for you?
So within this pocket range, chat.
So we swept that 4-hour low, but honestly, like, again, I still don't know. I mean, I just got cooked. I'm kind of letting it marinate a little bit more to see if it wants to continue to go lower. Or see. Drop the Discord if you can. I don't know how to link it. Let's see if this works here. Let me do this here. Let me type it in here. I don't know if that works here. I just pinned it. I just pinned it in the chat. I don't know if that works. But if it doesn't, just DM me. Pre-NFP, not too much. Yeah, man. It's looking like shorts. I mean, at this point right now, after getting cooked, I agree. But I'm still gonna remain the same. I need to let it marinate a little bit. I'm not jumping into anything here. How can you make money if the trend is going down? You just sell the market. You just sell. Do I know what I'm doing? Maybe. Oh, if this retraces, I swear I'm in at 210. Please stay under 150. Yeah, if it starts to close below 151 and start building the structure, maybe come back down, put in a high, and then possibly get the pull back down. I mean, another move down. Yo, what up, King Guppy? What up, man?
Taking these shorts when we should go long. It's Brandon from your TikTok.
What up, man? What up? We got Coobs here. We got Coobs. And then we got Danny.
What up? I'm gonna watch your stream on Discord now.
Yeah, man.
All that shit that was on TikTok. I need to hold on.
Yo, what up, man? Oh, I was muted the whole time.
Yeah, you
What's
are.
up, brother?
What's going on, bro? Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yo, who's texting me this late at night?
Say something.
Yo, what up? What up? What up?
All right.
Please, Nancy, just go down. Literally been in this trade for hours. Damn. What stock is that? This is NQ,
I'm trying to
MNQ.
get my music right.
I'm gonna give this extra. I'm just gonna give this the another 15 minute. If not, then I'm just gonna call it there.
I don't have enough monitors for this.
Where you from, man?
Monitors. I live in New Mexico.
Oh shit.
Where are you guys at?
I'm in California. Yeah, and then yeah, Coops can tell you where he's from.
Hold on. Oh, is your last name? Is your name Kubos?
Coops.
No, it's Coobs. Okay.
I think Coops, you muted again. Y'all taking another trade? Maybe. I mean, I don't know. Call me crazy, but I might if it sets up here.
The long is looking.
I mean, we're getting a reaction, chat. Chat, we're getting a reaction.
Are you guys in a long right now?
No, not yet. If anything, if we are gonna long this, I wanna see it pull up and then pull back down to kind of give that level of retest, another retest. Same concept, higher low.
Yeah. I'm trading on Tradeovate, but I also have TradingView. But the VWAP is
Rex trades. What's your question, man?
all night. When it goes away from it, it pulls back to it usually. In this stupid ass.
Bro, I was shorting on that huge candle. Are you talking about this one that just happened?
Actually, it passed the VWAP on the 1 minute.
12-point pop. I mean, I don't know, man. Call me crazy, but I might try it again. What's the Discord? It's pinned in the comment section here. But if you can't get to it, just send me a DM. I'll get you guys in there. I'll send you guys the Discord link. Can you give my account a shout out? Rex Trade, what up, man? That? Is that what you're talking about?
There's a new level. New level of support on the 1 minute.
Where at?
Where it's at right now.
Oh yeah, I see it.
158, 160 range.
Yeah, I see it though. I see it.
But on the 3 minute, it's like right underneath it as its resistance.
Yeah, we're getting aggressive sells there.
Yeah, it just busted through there on the 1 minute. Let's see if it closes. The 3 and the 5. I think that's a resistance line, honestly, because the 3 and the 5 both like went up, touched it, and then bounced down.
Yeah, this could be the high that we're putting in before another leg down that I was just talking about. I wanted to see this below 151, but it might just happen. Yes, sure, that's all. 4-2.
Uh-oh. Let's see. It just touched it again on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
And closed a little above on the 3. Very minusculely. Need a full candle closure. Like big. No, I went in that short. I went in that short earlier.
Yeah.
And I was like, then you're talking about longs. I was like, maybe he's onto something.
You know, I still like that trade. I still like the trade. I don't regret the trade.
When you were explaining it, I was like, I like that. I was like, I do like that.
Yeah.
It kind of gave me some doubt, and I was like,
I mean, see, that's the thing about trading though, too. It's anybody can see it a certain way.
yeah,
I mean, I'm happy I still tried it. I mean, I still would have taken that 100% of the time.
yeah.
The TA for me made sense.
I'm not gonna lie. Like I've just today, I've just been tonight. I've just been trying to formulate a very simple strategy, and I've just been having ChatGPT like guide, and so
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't using correct lot sizes by any means, but I mean, we've been getting chopped up all fucking night.
Yeah. Tonight's just been bad. I mean,
And so, yeah, I had like $400 of drawdown left on that account.
yeah, that's crazy though. You came back.
If I would have stayed, I was in that short from 186. So I was
Damn.
like,
Oh, that's a good entry.
yeah, I was trying to get to 200. I was trying to. If it would have bumped up to 200, I would have added to take the short because I was just following what ChatGPT suggested because I like typed in like what I look at and like what I'm looking for and trying to be more disciplined. That's my problem is I'm not fucking disciplined.
I mean, I think we all have stories about not being disciplined, bro. Hang on here. Hang on. I want to join trade. How much is it? What are you talking about? The prop firm or this trade? Inside a 5-minute gap. Oh, shit. I mean, poop. As long as you stay under 67 shorts valid, I want to see Nasdaq close under 50. I mean, yeah, right now, dude, it's looking very nice for shorts here for sure. I'm finally on side with you guys. I'll be on side with you guys. Are you live with any firms? Nope. That's my goal, though. I mean, well, it was my goal with Top Step, but all those rules that they're implementing, I don't know. Did you like my explanation for shorts? What explanation? What are you talking about? Unc, what time frame are you charting on? I do top-down analysis from 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, top down. But this is the 1 hour. Sorry, 1 minute. That's the 1 minute. Yep. MNQ. Yeah, Nazi. I'm in depth. $70. Can you help me out, big bro? I just took a loss. How can I help you if I can't help myself right now?
I like this.
No, I went live with Top Step. Screw them. Don't do it. Yeah. Oh, for real? You did? Damn, son. That's the goal. Oh, I mean, that was the goal. Yeah, that was the goal.
130 inbound.
Yeah, shorts are looking pretty sweet here.
Yeah, 130 inbound. When you said hold on, I like looked at my charts and I was like, oh yeah, I'm entering.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm going for a short.
Okay, let's see if I can get. I want 50% of this range. If I can get 3 micros again, I'm not risking a whole lot. If you guys are going a whole mini again.
I just reset.
Oh, no.
A 50K and a 25K. So
Oh, nice. No, don't leave without me now.
First TP is 30.
Yeah, I closed my my account in Feb. Yeah, man. I mean, that was the goal, man. I wanted the live account, you know. But then now the whole 20%, and then if you just lose that 20%, you forfeit. If you had 100K, and if you lose the 20K, you forfeit the rest. That's crazy to me. It's too late. What are you talking? MNQ.
130 push. Lucky I might take.
Yeah, bro. The 20K, 20%, man. I was like, what?
15 second really
I scratched that. I was like, nah.
No. I like to bounce over to the 15 second because it moves faster and I'll look to see if it's going to show like a super long wick for a reversal. Like to bounce.
Unc, why actually so good looking? It's the mustache, bro. I was watching Invincible and decided to grow a mustache.
Wow, Ice Bake has a mustache now.
Yeah, man. I got a mustache.
Ice Bake's all grown.
Chat, should we chase this? Should I chase?
This might be a sell and hold all night until the market closes. I like that. I do like that. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, the new episode was fire, bro. I actually liked it a lot. Chat, should I chase? Should I chase? It's looking like I should chase here. Not financial advice.
Maybe. I don't know. I could see it pulling back. Yeah, there it goes. It's gonna pull back.
Okay, yeah. If it tags me in, same thing, 30-point stop.
What's your entry?
I have
50 and 51.
Ice Bake 155.
Yeah, my entry order is at 155.75. If I can get filled, that'd be awesome.
And you'd go for the short.
Okay.
Big
Let's wait for the pullback first. They changed the rules after. Oh, you pissed off the risk team? That's crazy, bro.
Low-key, I might add.
That's funny. Wait for the pullback. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna be like this, so I don't do anything dumb.
Dump. How often do you guys get on? Do you guys just get on for London or no?
So I wanted to dedicate like 100 days of streaming, which actually I completely forgot about YouTube. I'm streaming on YouTube too.
Oh shit.
I completely forgot about it. But yeah, I started doing that, and then I just started recently streaming here on TikTok, Discord. I've always been there, but um, I wanted to dedicate 100 days of streaming,
Yeah.
and yeah, whether I get my nuts kicked in or
So
we take some winning
you're on
trades.
Instagram?
Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have my business one. My I do full-time photography and videography. Okay, here's the pullback here.
Oh yeah, that's badass. Oh
Is this gold?
That's not what I wanted. I didn't want to take it there.
Danny, yeah, we're waiting for 155. I have my sell order there. So if we get tagged in, as a matter of fact, that's a buy. Holy moly. That was a buy. I was gonna enter a buy. Okay, 155.50 is my sell order. Damn, I'm Chad, I'm cooked. We might hit 130, then bounce. Let's go still in at 78.25. Nice. That's a good entry. Which prop firm do I use? I'm using this one is Tradeify. I have one with Lucid. I'm only a day away from getting a payout with Lucid. I just need to lock in the winning day. I have a My Funded Futures. I need 2 days, 2 winning days on that. And then this just eval. I made enough money for that, so I don't need to be trading or risk putting that at risk. So that's why I'm trading an eval here. So I'm not trying to give none of my profits back and then just kind of go to bed and punch my pillow type stuff, you know?
What's wrong with that? That's me every day.
That's funny. Okay, so let's see where our stop 155. What broker am I using? So the prop firms, they use Tradeovate. That's the broker, quote unquote, and then I link it to my Tradeovate. Sorry, TradingView. Let's go still in soy babies.
I do not like Tradeovate.
Wire transfers. What up, man? My entry is 187. It's 187. You got the entry? Kind of jealous.
I still haven't figured out how to set the take profit and stop loss without with it being a fluid market.
Oh yeah.
Automatically like canceling the trade. Figure that shit out.
On Trading View.
Trade rate.
Oh, Tradeovate. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. There's been times where I go to sleep on an order, it hits my TP, but my sell or the stop loss is still in place, and then I wake up to a negative position because it never took it off. That's the worst. Okay, look, the 4-hour low is where we're reacting here. Look at that, the 4-hour low. We gave it a little reaction. What's the strat I use?
I just put an Instagram in the chat. That's my friend's wife. She teaches trading.
Oh, nice.
She didn't teach me very well. Or partially I didn't listen.
Yeah.
What did she do today? Let me look.
Okay, Chad, are we gonna get tagged in here? So let's see what happens here.
You're at 155.
Yeah, 155.50 is my sell order at the 50% of that range. Right here. And that's where I want my entry. Market changes its mind, don't do it. All right, bro. First you were telling me to short, now you're telling me not to do it. Bro. Oh, what's going on? Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
I just got edged. We just got
Oh,
edged.
no.
Oh my goodness, bro.
No way that just happened, chat. No way.
Bruh, for real.
Chat. I was literally just about to hit.
This is literally what just happened.
It's coming back.
Yeah, seriously, we just had a big
Oh,
fart.
okay, 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 okay.
Had a big fart right in our face, Ice Bag.
Yeah.
Disrespected.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Please, bro. Please. Don't embarrass me in front of TikTok.
Hey guys, this is crazy. This is insanity, chat. This is insanity. Dude, I'm about to go take a lap around the house. I can't watch this anymore. But about to take a lap around the house, chat. No, dude.
Why not enter at the on the FFG? Just trying to understand what your thought process. My thought process is just simply that we put in this range before we're attempting to break out
I'm
Here it
about to
goes.
in the
take a
50%.
lap around the house.
Simple as that. I just want to. That's where I just want to be in the 50% of this range. Because if we just if we start to disrespect the 50% of this range that we
FOMO
accumulated,
guys. 50% of the range. That's probably one of your confluences.
yeah. And
No, I'm gonna FOMO this
yeah.
trade. I don't care.
Sorry, I was listening to them here on the Discord.
50 minis.
ISS gambling.
50
This
minis.
shit like gambling.
Account automatically froze.
This does not
Anyway,
hit
did that make
this
sense,
way.
Isaiah? 50% of the range, and we just got edged. Dang. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens.
Ice Break, this is kind of an order block that we're respecting here, though.
So I need to get out of this cell, huh?
Let's see what happens. I mean, I'm gonna stick to it here. Just joined. What are we explaining? Take loss, stop profit.
That shit. It was literally at. Oh, you know what happened?
What's
You
up?
know what happened? It hit it hit a 15-second trend line.
Oh my god.
154.50.
Dude, I'm not looking at a 50-second.
What happened was Dr. Coombs wants to officially short.
How long are you riding the sell? Let's see. Actually, I don't even know where my targets are, to be honest. Hmm. Dude, I can't believe we just missed that. It's all good. So if we can get below like 140s, we have clean traffic to like 106. That's 24,100. Yeah, I think somebody said that earlier. You're on the 1 minute.
24,100. Yeah, that's what I.
Oh my god, bro.
I got 2400.
Oh gosh. Is the gold market close today? Yeah, it is. Yeah. For a Good Friday. So the only thing open right now is equities. This is crazy.
Man, I really, really want to chase this like now.
Send it to you guys in the chat.
Oh,
Literally touched it.
oh my gosh, the 15-second.
And then
I told you we were short, bro. I don't want to hear it right now, bro. I don't want to hear you. Up 1,100 on my trade.
he's in some crazy market.
Bro, that would have been the perfect.
135?
Dude, this would have been a perfect top tick if it literally 75 cents, bro. 75 cents.
Yeah.
I feel like the market is after me. I'm done. I'm done, Ice Bag. I'm done. Dude, how? Oh my god. This is so.
Yeah, I'm feeling emotional right now. I'm feeling emotional. Because
I'm just feeling like I wish I would have put a 10 on it. I normally trade 10s.
yeah, it's bleeding. What do we do here, chat? Should we chase?
Do you follow RSI or anything?
Nah, dude, I don't. I haven't used RSI since I started trading. Like, oh my goodness, bro.
The only reason I ask is because this price is getting very overextended.
Yeah, I think there's no doubt this is hella bearish, my boy. Look at this. And okay, look at this move. And just look at how close it was to tagging us in, guys.
Yeah, I actually took that off now because
That's bananas.
uh,
Chat, I'm gonna call it there.
140.
I'm gonna call it there. Look at that. Yeah.
Profit. Took profit at the 130.
Dude, we literally it missed us.
Now wait for another pullback. I don't know if I should wait, bro.
Yeah, pullback. It's coming.
Yeah, I'm scratching that at that point. Yeah, guys.
Getting off.
Yeah, I'm getting off here. I'm calling it there. That was some BS here. Just chase it.
No, I wouldn't.
No, I'm not gonna. Just chase it. Nah, I'm off, guys. I'm gonna call it there. Longs. Pro said longs.
Sunday, yeah, it'll be open Sunday.
Yeah, I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys on Sunday. Yeah, I'm out of here, guys.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, man. Guppy, bro. Posting profits if you make money, man. Posting profits, chat it up, man. We're in here.
Okay.
All right, man. I'll catch you later.
Yes, sir. Have a good one.
TikTok, 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 TikTok. TikTok, man. You guys saw me get peppered. You guys saw me get peppered. And then you guys saw me get edged. Yeah, yeah. Hey, TikTok. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out in here. Again, real talk, all jokes aside. Good Friday tomorrow. I wasn't really expecting much. Did not have a high expectations for today, but you know, this is a clean move. This is the cleanest move I've seen all night, for sure. The cleanest move I've seen all night. If only I got my entry here, that would have been a beautiful short, no doubt. But hey, again, I appreciate you guys hanging out. Thank you for liking the stream. Again, I have a Discord. If you guys want to tap in, free. If you guys want to join in, just DM me, and I'll send you the link to it. And yeah, Sunday night market opens again, and I will be streaming probably these hours again. So yeah, guys, gonna drop all the way to 2400. I mean, at this point, let's see if I can get entry. But don't worry, next time I got you again. Yeah, bro. All right, y'all. Catch you guys later. See you guys. The market is 100% algo, so chopping up. What up, L7? What up, man? Yeah, man, I got cooked. I got cooked today. 3 micros, 150. That's it. Small loss, but and then we just missed an entry, so it's all good, man. But yeah, man, Sunday night I'll get on, man. I'll catch you later.